make good snack recipes or lunchbox recipes which are very appealing to children. So today I'm going to show you a very simple yet delicious vegetable mayo sandwich. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For the mixed vegetable sandwich, I've taken a lot of vegetables, different kinds of vegetables, starting with a piece of green capsicum finely chopped, a piece of red capsicum finely chopped. Make sure whatever vegetables you're using that you chop them nice and fine. A piece of yellow capsicum finely chopped, cucumber finely chopped, 1 small carrot grated, a little cabbage that's been finely chopped, a few spring onion greens chopped. If you don't have spring onions, you can use coriander leaves finely chopped. To this add quarter teaspoon salt, quarter teaspoon chili flakes. This is optional. If you don't like it spicy, you can just add pepper. Some freshly crushed pepper. Now add mayonnaise to the vegetables. Mix everything well. So if you need to add more mayonnaise, you can add another teaspoon or tablespoon depending on the quantity of vegetables that you have. The filling should be a little creamy, not too dry. So I'm just going to add a little more mayonnaise. As you can see, mine is a little dry. This looks very good. I'm going to keep this aside. And I'm going to cut the bread slices. So I'm going to give you 2 options to make the sandwich. So one is going to be just a plain sandwich. Just cut off the edges. If you like the edges, you can keep them. But if I'm usually having a plain sandwich, I like to have it without the edges. Place the filling on one slice. Make sure you spread the filling across the bread slice. Oh, that looks good. Close the sandwich and gently just press it. Now gently just cut the sandwich, hold it in place. Cut it into desired shape, either triangles or rectangles, it's up to you. That looks amazing. So make sure you get fresh bread while doing this. Now I've used white bread, but you can use brown bread, you can use multigrain bread. I'm going to make another sandwich. I'm going to grill this. So I'm not going to cut off the edges. So just spread it out evenly. Since I'm going to grill the sandwich, I'm going to place a slice of cheese. Now this is optional. If you don't want to, you don't have to. You can either grill the sandwich in a grill pan, or if you don't have a grill pan, you can just do it on a regular pan. You can just toast it. Take a little bit of the butter, grease the pan. Take a little bit of the butter, place it on top of the bread slice, just spread it out. Sandwich is done. Remove it from the pan and you can serve it nice and hot. So there you go. Here is this very simple yet delicious vegetable mayo sandwich. Now if children are very fussy about eating vegetables, this is a nice way to give them. I've used white bread, but you can use brown bread or multigrain bread, whatever suits for you. So do try this recipe and enjoy. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 frames.